Hi YouTuber, another quick delivery from Lazada.com. This is what they call the indoor magnetic spinner bike, and I'm going to open it for the first time. And bear with me because I'm using a laptop camera and I don't have any good camera yet, but still we can do it. So I'm going to open this for the first time. This is supposedly a very portable exercise bicycle material. Okay. The box is not new. There's even a hole here, so the handling is not good. The baggage tape are all new, I guess, but this is a stock unit, I guess. So, but there's something that maybe somebody already opened this one and then repackaged it. There's another hole here. See? So this is not new. This is not a new item, I guess. So maybe we can see inside. Maybe this is just the case of bad handling. So let's open this one. The baggage tape seal are all intact. Maybe this is new. I guess it's new. This is the instruction manual. Okay, this is only an unboxing. I'll try to build this for the first time later. I'll do another video for that. So, oh my gosh. It's quite heavy. It's it's made out of durable thick steel. Okay. Okay. Whew. It does have so many parts. I hope I will not have a hard time building this one. One part. There's a tension level. Uh, maybe this is used for the body. Then this must be the handlebar, obviously. Then one stand. Another stand. And the seat. One review says that the seat is not soft, but I guess this is soft enough. Maybe that review is not that accurate because this is a very soft seat. There's a very nice gel foam. Now this is the body. Very nicely packed. Okay. This is the body. Okay. Then I got something here. The pedal. This is the pedal. And then there's another box here. And then this one, there's a simple toolkit here. There's an Allen wrench. Then this one. I don't know what's this for. There's a somewhat like a wheel inside. I'll do this later. Then there's this wire, maybe for the speedometer. Then what's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. Oh, it's a meter. It's a calorimeter. Maybe it's also a speedometer, etc., etc., etc. I don't know. There's also a free battery. There must be two free batteries. Oh, it's only one. It's only good for one battery. That's nice. So this is my unboxing. I'm going to build this later on in another video. Thank you very much and a very good delivery from Lazada. This is a brand new item. Only the packaging is a bit how do you call this? The handling of the packaging is not that good, but the inside, the item inside is not affected. Hopefully it's not affected, but I guess this is a durable item because the steel are quite thick as I can observe it. The parts are complete and it's nice. Thank you, Lazada.